Hi everyone, welcome to HNS Physics. This is your Narsimha. Today in this video I am going to explain rules for ray diagrams of concave mirror and convex mirror. Rules for ray diagrams of concave mirror and convex mirror. If you know these rules, we can draw the ray diagrams of convex mirror and concave mirror. So first we will discuss about rules for ray diagrams of concave mirror. Here we have total 4 rules are there, ma. So right, this is concave mirror. So we know already these words: pole, focus and center of curvature. This is nothing but a principal axis. So already these terms we discussed in the previous class. Once you have to check that video, right? Now first rule: if any ray of light coming parallel to the principal axis. So this is the principal axis. The ray is coming parallel to principal axis. So after reflection, the ray passes through focus. This is the first rule. Once again listen: if any ray of light is passing parallel to the principal axis, after reflection it passes through focus. Right? Come to second rule. Initially the ray of light is passing through focus. Initially the ray of light is passing through focus. So if any ray of light is passing through focus means after reflection the ray passes parallel to the principal axis. So this is the rule 2. So for first one it is reverse. Here any ray of light is passes through focus, after reflection it passes parallel to the principal axis. Next to rule 3 ma. If any ray of light is passing through center of curvature, if any ray of light is passing through center of curvature, so after reflection the ray retrace its same path. Retrace its same path means, so the ray again goes in the same direction after the reflection. Next come to rule 4. So this is rule 4 my here. If any ray of light is incident at the pole with an angle theta, with the same angle it reflects back according to laws of reflection. According to laws of reflection. So these are the 4 rules related to concave mirror. Yes. Now come to rules for ray diagrams of convex mirror. So here also we have 4 rules ma. So we'll discuss one by one. So first rule: if any ray of light is passing parallel to the principal axis. If any ray of light is passing parallel to the principal axis, here reflecting surface is there outside now. So after the reflection the ray appears to be, after the reflection the ray appears just it is going from focus. For convex mirror this is the virtual focus, not a real focus. So after the reflection the reflector ray appears, just appears, it is going from focus. So this is the first rule. Next come to second rule nana. So second rule. So here the ray, initially the ray passing or coming in the direction of focus. In the direction of focus. The ray is coming in the direction of focus. So after the reflection the ray reflector ray passes parallel to the principal axis. So for first one it is a reverse. Just you have to observe my arrows. Here initially the ray passes parallel to the principal axis. So after reflection the reflector ray going, just appears going from focus. Next here the ray is initially coming in the direction of focus. In the direction of focus. After the reflection the reflector ray passes parallel to the principal axis. Next to here when the ray is third rule ma, when the ray is coming in the direction of center of curvature, in the direction of center of curvature, so then after reflection it appears, it retraces its same path. That means again it will go same direction, right, after reflection. Next come to fourth rule. So if any ray of light is incident at the pole with an angle theta, so according to laws of reflection it reflect back with the same angle. So these 4 rules related to convex mirror. So for more videos, for more information, follow my HNS physics classes. Thank you for everyone.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.